Welcome the electric and hybrid vehicle structure technology application on the zSpace platform, where immersive hands-on learning meets the evolving world of automotive innovation. Within Structure Principles, there are 7 core learning modules. These cover critical systems found in electric and hybrid vehicles. Let's take a closer look at the power battery module.
The structure of a power battery mainly includes battery cells, battery modules, battery packs, and battery management systems.
Here, users can explore real-world interactive components, review simulations, read or listen to system definitions, rotate, zoom, or isolate models to better understand how they fit into the vehicle system. The disassembly and assembly modules, users can disassemble or assemble the drive motor, transmission, and battery pack systems. It includes 3 distinct modes: learning, practice, and assessment. The learning mode, the system walks you through each step of the task with visual guidance. The practice mode gives you control to apply skills without step-by-step help. The assessment mode challenges your understanding and tracks your performance. If you get stuck, tap the tip icon to auto-align your view and highlight the part or tool you need. You can always undo, restart, or export your activity when finished. With real-time feedback, high-fidelity simulations, and modular training content, the electric and hybrid vehicle structure technology application prepares students for success in today's evolving automotive industry. Explore, practice, and learn on zSpace.